Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, I'm Don. Zen Windows came out and worked on my house. I had done some research and my wife had called other companies and they never got back to her. She called Zen Window and talked to Dennis. He immediately started answering questions and really went into detail about all the windows and everything and explained stuff. So we went ahead with Zen Window. Then when Eddie and the crew came out, it was phenomenal. They come out at 8:15 in the morning and by 11:30 they were starting to clean up on it. They were fantastic. They joked around with us. I mean, you know, he was any questions they wanted, they answered. And everyone in the crew was fantastic. The cleanup, I can't believe how good a cleanup they did. I mean, I'm recommending to anybody and everybody who asks about Windows, Zen Windows is the way to go.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.